Welcome to STEAM Storytime Colors. My name is Miss Christina, and I am here to lead you on this colorful journey. All right, we are going to start with our book, and it is called The Wonders of the Color Wheel. And this was written by Charles Gigna. So the color wheel. Have you heard of a color wheel before? If not, you get to learn something new. And if you've already heard about it, this will just help reinforce what you know. All right, finding colors is an art. The color wheel is where we start. See, the color wheel is a circle and a wheel is a circle. So people are like, color wheel. Yeah. 3 bright colors for me and you. Primary colors, red, yellow, blue. So primary means like first, primary first. So these are like our building block colors. Red is an apple, yellow is the sun, blue is the sky when the day has begun. Mix primary colors, and what do you get? Secondary colors, orange, green, violet. Blue and yellow turn into, what is that? Yeah, green, like a grassy hillside scene. Orange comes from, what is that, red and yellow. An orange pumpkin makes a funny fellow. Violet comes from red and blue. Violet is a purple hue. Ooh. We see colors passing by every morning in the sky. The sky is blue. Ooh. The clouds are white. The sky turns black with each new night. Black and white turn into gray, like a cloudy, rainy day. After rain comes yellow sun, a perfect time for picnic fun. Early morning, late at night, colors paint the world so bright. Colors are a lot of fun. Do you have a favorite one? Is it remember primary, which is first? Is it a primary color? Red, yellow, blue. Or is your favorite color a secondary color? Orange, green, or violet? Which one's your favorite? This one's mine right here. Green, I love green. Because it reminds me of nature and the trees. I think it's gorgeous. All right, so that was our book. Now it's time for our activities. I hope you have a lot of fun. I'm excited about them. So activity 1 is a color scavenger hunt. So you're gonna get this card, big card in your kit, and it's got different rectangles of different colors. So maybe you'll choose to do this indoors, maybe you choose to do it outdoors, maybe you do both. It's up to you, whatever feels good. And you go around and you look for items of these different colors that you can put onto the rectangle. So you can kind of like make a rainbow with your found objects. Activity 2 is color mixing. Now, you're going to need like 4 clear like jars, glasses, bowls, whatever it is that you have. You're gonna need 4 of them. Gonna fill them part way with water, depending on the size. And the first one, you wanna put in red food coloring. The second one, you wanna put in a couple drops of blue food coloring. And the third one, you wanna put in a few drops of yellow food coloring. Now, red, blue, yellow. What did we just learn about those colors? Yeah, they're primary colors. So these are our building blocks. So in your 4th cup, that's partially filled with water, you're going to use your pipette, which is in the kit. From home, you have to do your jars and your food coloring and the water, of course. But in the kit, there's this little pipette, and you're going to first squeeze the big bulb part at the top, put it into the red and let go, and it's gonna suck up some red water, and then put that into the clear jar, okay? And then you can pick a second color, squeeze it, and put it into the second color and go, picks up the second color, and then you go into your clear jar. And you're gonna mix that red and that other color, mix it together and see what it makes. All right, and then you're gonna empty that out, put in some fresh water, and do it again with 2 different colors. And just keep doing that, mixing, experimenting, and to see, you know, how many colors you can make. What if, you know, you put in a little bit of red and like a lot of the blue, like what happens? And if you just put in a little bit of red, a little bit of blue, or what if you do like a little bit of blue and a lot of red? I mean, what are the differences? So just experiments. I know you know what to do. And then for this third activity, it's find a rainbow. Now you might be able to find one in the wild, like if it rains or something, or if you go on a hike and there's a waterfall, sometimes the mist will form a rainbow. If it's after it rains, you know, there might be a rainbow in the sky, so that's finding one in the wild. If you're not so lucky as to find one that way, you can still make one inside your house. There's a couple different ways. If you have a disc, like a CD compact disc or a DVD disc, you can shine light onto it and then reflect it onto the wall. You might see a rainbow that way, or you can go into a darker room with a flashlight and that disc and reflect the flashlight onto the disc and then reflect that onto the wall. You should be able to see a rainbow, and there's like a couple other ways in the instructions too. Now, when you look at those rainbows, kind of note what order those colors are in, and is it different from rainbow to rainbow? I'm probably gonna tell you at the end of this, but because in the fourth activity, it is painting a rainbow. So your kit has a watercolor kit, and it's got some postcard size watercolor paper. And I just want you to paint rainbows on each of them in any fashion. You know, fill up the whole thing, you know, just do a little one, do an arch, do straight lines, do zigzag, you know, whatever it is that feels like a lot of fun. And then remember to autograph your name on it so everyone knows that you made this piece of art. And then, because rainbows just make people smile, I thought it would be really nice if you gave some of your art to another person, be it a family member, a neighbor, a friend, you know, just, you know, do it with your grown-up, and just spread some rainbow cheeriness. All right. Now, as always, I hope you have a lot of fun. You can send any pictures to me. I love seeing your pictures. Email is kgarner@wallingfordlibrary.org, or you can tag us on social media. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. All right. Bye, friends.